Well, it's me again, and we are out at MINI of Knoxville. Say hi, Ethan.
Hello.
This time I mic'd him so we can actually hear what he's saying.
Yeah.
But we're standing in the used car lot at the moment. But we are on our way to VIR for race weekend number what? 4?
Yes.
Race weekend 4. I feel like we've been doing this forever. So we thought we'd stop here and take a look at MINI of Knoxville because Mini dealership, why not? And lots of cool stuff. Oh, there's more Minis over there.
They've got several manuals, some special editions, overall pretty good inventory.
And yeah, definitely. I saw a JCW over here, I think. Has a red roof. Nope, never mind. It is a Cooper. Oh, darn. Let's see if any of these have manuals over here, though, because the second gen Countryman's did offer a manual. That's obviously an automatic. That's probably an automatic. That's an automatic. Automatic or manual?
Auto.
You think so? Yep. Darn. So we didn't find as many manuals as we thought, unless this Cooper is a manual. Which it is.
It is a manual?
Yeah.
Oh. So they have some manual Cooper S's up front and manual Cooper.
Manual. Automatic. Automatic. It was a shame because they did offer the facelift Clubman with and manual, at least the front wheel drive one. But there's MINI of Knoxville right there. Really nice building. It's kind of small, but for what they need it for around here, I'm sure it's pretty big for Minis. Is there a big following for Minis in Knoxville?
Oh yeah, there's a big Mini group here, East Tennessee Miniacs.
Oh, okay.
But MINI of Knoxville also has a lot of exotics, as you can see.
Yes. I can see the McLaren and Bentley over there, and the Porsche, and whatever. Oh, and here are our cars sitting here looking pretty. Well, his was looking pretty. Mine's looking dirty. Because I went on a road trip to get here, and he drove down the street, basically. So he didn't have to get as far as I did.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah. And then over there is the BMW store. And then this thing, well, we don't care what this thing is. It's a Hellcat. You've seen one Hellcat, you've seen them all. There's a new Corvette. Whoop-de-doo. Here's some more Minis over here. Another Bev. Oh, look, a JCW.
That is Melanie.
Hello.
Hello.
We have a really nice toy box.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, that's what they call them.
One of our toys is at it's getting the Lambo is getting a pre-purchase inspection.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
And you've seen one McLaren, you've
that's
seen them
new.
all.
That was not there yesterday. That Porsche is new.
Yeah. I think you're gonna have to take it for a spin.
You know, just to make sure everything works okay.
What kind of Cayman is this?
GT4.
I thought the GT4 had the rolled fenders on the insides.
No.
This is a GT4. Holy crap. Nice. This is the only Porsche Cayman I would buy. And it's a manual. Okay. No, I meant by that is all the Porsche Caymans I've been seeing, this edge right here is rolled in.
Oh, that's the RS.
Oh, okay. So the RS is the one that has the rolled in fender.
Yep.
Okay. I guess that's the one I actually want.
Yeah, but
Because
you
I
can't get
have
an
very
RS in a
expensive
manual.
tastes. I think you need stripes.
I think I need to get the dents out first.
And then stripes.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
You need some stripes. Definitely stripes. Like Rain Man, stripes, definitely stripes.
We've got other stuff to do.
Like get the dents out
Yeah.
and get the lovely tiger striping you got going on the wheel arch there. That's such a pretty look there.
Yeah, happens to all of them. But this is surprising to see how clean it is, right? Last time it was dirty.
I wish my car looked this clean. I really wish it looked this clean. See, the problem with being a YouTuber is people kind of stare at you, look really funny when you're holding a camera, wondering what the heck are they doing?
Yeah, it's a little embarrassing to be honest.
Why is it embarrassing?
I don't know.
Wait, you think this is embarrassing?
Not bad.
If you think this is embarrassing, try being on like speakerphone talking to someone like in the middle of a crowded store. That's embarrassing.
Yeah.
Talking on a GoPro.
You know
when-
what's even more embarrassing? Hanging out with this guy behind the camera. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I'm embarrassing. Okay, I get it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to think of a good comeback. I don't have one. I'll get back to you all. Anyway. There it is. Not much to it, is there?
It's simple.
Simple. So, our plans for today, we are here looking at the dealership, hang out here for a little bit. Then we're supposed to head over to Out Motoring, my channel's sponsor. And then, well, I think we'll have the time to do it. We're going to go to the Dragon.
Yep.
Because I've never been. He has. I need to get the cool sticker that has the tail of the dragon on it when we're done. I can add that to my collection on my car. And we're going to have some fun today. So stay tuned.